corner.
Mark B, Hamish, separate.
Pay attention.
Get in a good spot, stay there. Get away from your players. Good positioning.
Get ready.
Look at the ball.
Go for Evan. Oh.
Good, Johnny.
Good, good. Oh.
Follow
Oh.
it up, Ev. Hustle it up, guys.
Get on him. Lift your ball.
Nice, Evan.
Good.
Guys, get position. Open up. Guard someone.
Separate, Snowstorm. Guard someone. You're all lumped up. You're all lumped.
Get position quick.
Down there, go, go.
Okay, Gray. There you go, real quick.
Get in there.
Go. Ahead. Benji, get away from Evan.
Fast throw-ins. Keep it moving. Give him someone to throw to. Lucas, run up. Lucas, run up.
Good, Nate.
Oh.
Benji, separate.
Someone get the kick. Yeah.
Positions. Come on, quick. Guys, move it. Move it, guys.
Get ready, goalie.
Good, Nate. Get on, Nate.
Good work.
Drop back in front of the goal.
Come on, guys, move.
Run.
Good job, Nate. Do it again, Nate.
Good,
There you go.
Oh.
We got it, Nate. Get up.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Go towards the ball.
Don't let him beat you. Drop back, Nate. Good job.
Good, follow it.
Good kid, go.
Big.
Get out of there. God, they're pushing forward really
Get
good.
out, Nate. Get out. There you go. Good
Sit down.
job.
Coming to you, Benji.
Good job, bud. Awesome. Drop back, bud. Where are you? Back up, back up.
Might go down the line.
Open up. The guy they're going to pass to.
Hamish.
Not offside. Yeah, there's a sign that says
Cover the player, Hamish.
not go further than number 2.
Drop back. Back to the goal.
There you go.
Good job, bud.
Keep going.
Good work. Okay. Get in position real quick. Throw it in real quick. Don't mess around.
Quickly.
Lauren's coming, so go up.
Benjamin.
Spread out wide.
Stay center.
Good throw.
Go, Benji.
Good throw. Go.
Go.
Go, Snowstorm.
Go, Storm. Going over to that side anyway.
Ball.
Get it, Hamish. Don't stop. Keep moving.
Good job,
Where's it gonna go? Matthew, Benji, separate.
Stay with it.
Taylor's in a little red.
You ready?
Drop back, drop back.
Perfect, Benj. In front of the goal.
Move it. Hustle quick.
Taylor!
Get open. Towards the goal. Right there.
Evan, take it.
Forward.
Benj, stay there. Stay.
Down there in the mix.
Ball.
Oh, close. Nope.
I thought so. I know from this angle. Hi, guys.
That would have been a good spin on the ball.
Taylor's like, I want to go say hi to Gunner. I'm like, okay. Who's Sunny over there? Lore! Thank you so much for that picture.
Kate!
Nice kick! Go, Evan!
Don't fight each other! Hamish, get moving over! Position! Quick!
Evan, good. Come on, let's go.
Don't stop, Benji. Keep going.
Get in there and help him, Evan. Good stop, guys. Good stop. Nice.
Get in front of him, Matthew. In front, Evan. Andrew.
Evan's just a monster.
More. Hey.
Position, quick! Come on, guys. Come on. Doing great. Oh.
Good work, you guys.
Right there, Mark. Right there, Evan. Hey, Matthew, in front of him. In front.
Right. Back. Take the ball right. Shift it
Get in
over.
front, Matthew. Matthew, to the right, Benji. Take your time.
Good one, buddy.
Okay, get back now. It's not our ball. Leave the
Get it
ball.
downfield. Let's go.
He was over the line. Benji, yep.
Good job, Nate.
Go, Mark! Hamish, get position!
Stand it out. Good job, Evan.
Hamish, move it! Go, Benji!
And it's not going to
Cam, get down in the mix. Robbie, center.
Go, Benji!
Get out.
Robbie, good job.
All right, look alive.
Get positions real fast! Position real fast, okay?
In the middle, Nate.
Hey, it's me. Call me back. I was trying to get.
Good.
Now she's leaving. They're like, yeah, she has it. She's fine. Okay, I'll figure it out. Yeah, I'll make calls. Hey, I've been trying to call you like 20 times.
Purple poison, you're throwing. Let's go.
Oh, that's probably what I was trying you. Sorry to get my butt over there. I thought you were gonna come down. Taylor was over there to say hi to somebody.
Johnny, take it.
I wasn't sending her off to go leave. So I thought you were gonna come.
Wakey, guys, wake up!
To your card. I thought you were coming.
Come on, sorry, ball. Go. Great.
So I'm gonna get her about 2:15. Her game's at 3.
Let Greg
Get her
get
about
Greg.
2:15. Her game's at 3.
Turn around, Matthew.
Oh really? Oh, I bet we are. Have fun.
Okay.
How was her game?